Hi Year 1, it's me again, Miss Frost, Teacher Maths, and today we're going to be looking at place value within numbers up to 100, okay? And we've done this up to 50 so far, but today we're going to be looking at numbers up to 100. So if I get the flip chart up, we're going to start off with our cold task like we usually do, okay? So today we have using our base 10, how can you show these numbers? Okay, so first of all, let's just go back to me and I'll show you. So can any of you remember a base 10? Okay, remember these at school? Okay, we have the 10 sticks, don't we? And the ones. Okay, and we know that 10 of these ones make one of these 10s, don't we? It's the same. Okay, so 10s and ones. Yeah, probably a different colour. Mine are a different colour to the ones at school, but we use these to help us. But because we haven't got these at home, we can draw them, can't we? So let's go back to our flip chart. Okay, so remember what we did last time. We had a go at drawing them. So think about how you could draw these numbers with base 10. So you might use a line like this for your 10, and you might use a little dot for the ones like this, look. Okay, have a go at making the number 21. So can you draw that for me? Can you draw number 39? And can you draw number 48? Okay, you might want to pause while you do that. If you're not sure how to do that, ask the adult with you to help you. So just draw the 10s using a long line like this, and the ones using either a dot, or you could use a circle like this. It's completely up to you. Good luck with that. Okay, so hopefully you've all had a go. Let's have a go. So we've got the number 21. How many 10s do we need in the number 21? Can you shout it out to me? That's right, 2. We've got 2 10s, so we need 2 10s. 1, 2. How many ones do we have? 1. Your drawing will be a bit neater than mine, won't it? Okay, so 21. Well done if you got that right. Let's see if we can draw the number 39. So how many 10s do we need to draw? That's right, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And how many ones do we have? 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could do something like that. Well done. Okay, so we have 39, and now we have the number 48. How many 10s do we have in 48? That's right, we have 4. So let's draw 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 8 ones, don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done if you had a good go at that. It is tricky to draw them, isn't it? But I've seen some of your work come in and I know that you can do it. So well done for that and having a go. Let's move on to today's lesson then. So we know these are base 10, don't we? Okay, we've used them before. Just showed you at the beginning of this video. Okay, so let's have a go at working these out. So we know these are the 10s, don't we? And we know these are the ones, okay? So we know the long sticks have 10 ones, and these are the individual ones, aren't they? Okay, so what number is this showing? Okay, so what do we need to do first, do you think? Should we count the 10s and then count the ones? Should we do that? Okay, are you ready? How many 10s do we have then? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's write down number 5. We've got 5 10s, and that comes first in the number because that's the biggest number, isn't it? And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Okay, that's the smallest part of the number. Okay, so we have 5 10s and 6 ones. How do we know if it's right? Okay, well, we know that these long sticks are the 10s, don't we? We have the 10s first, and we know that we have the ones last, don't we? So 56. Well done. Okay, now let's have a go at making the following numbers, okay? So we have the number 64. How many tens do we need to make the number 64? How many tens will we need? Can you shout it out to me? That's right, we need 6. Okay, so shall we get 6? Let's put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 and we want to write that number there, don't we? We've got 6 tens. How many ones do we need in 64? That's right, it is 4. So let's count our ones. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so usually at school you would count these, wouldn't you, with your base tens, but today we'll do it on here and then we'll do some drawing. So we need 4 ones. So to make 64, we need 6 tens and 4 ones, and we've got 6 tens here and 4 ones. Well done. Who can help me find out how many tens we need to make 86? Have a chat with the person you're sitting with. How many tens do we need to make the number 86? Shout it out to me. That's right, 8. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait a minute. 7, 8. Okay, so we've got 8 tens. Okay, so let's write that down so we don't forget. We know we needed 8 tens. How many ones do we need in the number 86 to make the number 86? Sorry. Can you shout that out to me? How many ones? That's right, 6. Let's count 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant. Okay, so we know that we needed 8 tens and 6 ones. That's a big 6. Never mind. Fantastic. Okay, so again, this is how we can draw base 10. This is how we can draw the numbers, because we haven't got the tens and ones, have we, at home? So you can draw them like you did in your cold task at the beginning. So can you see how I've done it here again? Just a reminder. So we've got 54, which is how many tens? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do this one together just so you've got the swing of it. So how many tens do we need to make the number 67? Can you shout it out to me? That's right, 6, isn't it? 6 tens. Okay, let's draw them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones will we need? Shout it out to me. That's right, 7. Okay, let's write them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 67. Brilliant. Okay, so little activity for you now. We did this last week, if you remember, well, before half term. We did it with numbers up to 15. Now this time I want you to have a go at this activity, thinking about numbers between 50 and 100. So what you need to do is you need someone to do this with. So you need an adult to help you. You're going to play a game. One of you is going to close your eyes and count to 30 quietly. The other one is going to choose a number between 50 and 100. Okay. Now, your adult might want to write some numbers down for you to choose, okay? If you're not sure what numbers they might be, you need a bit of help. If you ask the person with you to write a few numbers down and then you just choose one, okay? But the numbers have got to be between 50 and 100, okay? Once you've chosen your number, you need to draw it using base 10, okay? Like we've just done on the other page, can you see? Like here, okay? So you need to find your number, maybe not this number, a different number. You need to draw it using tens and ones, and then the adult you're working with needs to work it out and guess it and tell you what number they think you're drawing, and you need to say if they're right or not, okay? And you need to check it, okay? And then you can swap. Then you can close your eyes. The adult you're working with can choose a number between 50 and 100. They can draw it using base 10, and then you can check it and have a guess at what number that they've tried to make, okay? It's a really good game. Have a go at that. See if you can do it 2 or 3 times, okay? Have a good go at it. Pause the video while you do that, and then we'll move on. Good luck and have some fun. Okay, I hope you had a good time having a go at that. Okay, now you've had a go at that, making numbers, we want you to have a go at drawing the numbers to work out these number sentences, okay? So drawing using base 10 to work out these number sentences. So what you will do first is you will draw, with this number sentence, you will draw 24, then you will add 51, okay? And then you add them all together. So you'll see how many tens you've got all together. You'll add the tens together and you'll add the ones together, okay? Now, in these addition number sentences, like this one, for example, you have 8 and 4 in the ones column. When you add those ones together, these ones, they might make more than 10. And if you have more than 10, what do you need to do? Can you remember? You need to exchange, don't you? You need to add on a 10, swap them for another 10, okay? We spoke about that before, didn't we? And we crossed those ones out and we made another 10, okay? And you add them to your 10s. If you're a bit stuck with that, ask the adult with you to help you, okay? So they're the addition number sentences. When you're working on the subtraction, okay, you will draw the numbers. So you'll draw 82, but then you will you will subtract, take away this number, won't you? So if you draw 82 using base 10, you will look at taking away this number. So you'll need to cross some out, won't you, to find out what number you have left over. So remember here, we're drawing and then we're adding more, so we're drawing more. Here we're drawing these numbers, then we're subtracting, so we're crossing some out, okay? Have a good go at that. You've got a few questions there to go through. Once you've done that, if you could get your adult to email it in, that would be lovely, so we can see your work and your workings out, and you might even get a certificate too. Good luck with it. Try your best and don't worry about it. You'll be fantastic. Okay, and I'll see you for the next lesson soon. Bye.